Are you looking for the best Android phone of 2025? We've got you covered. From Google's Pixel 9 Pro to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we'll break down the top contenders and help you pick your perfect match. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone refines what made the S24 Ultra a fan favorite, improving design, performance, and AI integration. It features Gorilla Armor 2 glass for durability, a titanium frame, and a larger 6.9-inch AMOLED screen that impresses with vibrant colors, even if it's not the brightest on the market. AI advancements deliver a more cohesive experience, while the 50-megapixel ultra-wide and 200-megapixel primary cameras capture stunning detail and color. Despite slightly behind-the-curve zoom lenses, the camera performance is still sharp and balanced. So, why only 4 stars? The S25 Ultra is an iterative update over last year's S24 Ultra, which is now more affordable. For Samsung fans seeking long-term AI improvements, the S25 Ultra is a great choice, but the battery and the S Pen downgrade are notable drawbacks. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro. This phone redefines the Pixel experience, blending cutting-edge tech with a sleek, more premium design. For those seeking a smaller device without sacrificing power, this 6.3-inch Pro model is a game-changer, offering top-tier camera tech, AI features, and impressive battery life. The design impresses with straight edges, a matte glass back, and a pill-shaped camera island. It's also more durable with IP68 water resistance. The Actua display shines with vibrant colors and superior brightness, even in direct sunlight, paired with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The camera system is exceptional, featuring a 48-megapixel ultra-wide and periscope telephoto lens and AI tools like Magic Editor simplify photo editing. While charging speeds could be faster, the Pixel 9 Pro's premium design and 7 years of updates make it a worthy investment. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A55. Looking for the Samsung Prestige without the steep price tag? The A55 is a budget contender worth considering. Priced much lower than the Galaxy S24 series, it offers an affordable option that sacrifices some flagship features while still delivering a solid smartphone experience. The A55 shines with its sharp, vibrant screen and capable multi-lens camera system, including a decent selfie camera. Unlike previous A-series phones, the Exynos 1480 CPU and 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM offer a smoother experience. While charging speeds are 25 watts, not groundbreaking, it's still respectable. If you're looking for the Samsung experience without the high-end price, the A55 delivers solid performance at a more palatable price. Number 4. OnePlus 12. It delivers impressive specs at a competitive price, though its price hike compared to last year's model means it's not quite the home run of previous versions. The all-screen frontage maintains a modern look, complemented by a tactile matte back that adds a premium feel. Its dynamic display with refresh rates ranging from 1 to 120 Hz ensures smooth performance. The alert slider and Hasselblad branding on the camera Boo megapixel are hallmarks of OnePlus, indicating advanced photography features. In our tests, its low-light performance and flexibility in Pro and 12-bit RAW Plus modes impressed. The OnePlus 12 excels in performance, handling tasks effortlessly, while its battery life impresses with a 5,000 mAh battery that charges fully in just over 30 minutes using 100 watts Super VOOC. For a flagship bargain, it stands strong against its competition. Number 5. Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This is a photography enthusiast's dream, with a powerful quad-camera setup co-designed with Leica. The variable aperture on the main lens offers pro-level control over depth of field, while the optional photography kit transforms the phone into a handheld DSLR, complete with physical controls and filter attachments. It's pricey, but for serious photographers, it's a game changer. The phone also impresses with a 6.73-inch vibrant display, combining the best of flat and curved screens. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and a robust cooling system, it handles heavy gaming with ease. Battery life is solid, though it doesn't quite match some rivals. While not for everyone, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is an investment for those who prioritize photography, making it a top contender for anyone looking for a camera-first phone. So, which one is the winner? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the crown with its unbeatable performance, stunning display, and top-tier camera features. It's the clear choice for 2025.